Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I've got a kit for you. I haven't done a kit for a while and we've got loads of them in our online store. So if you go over to my shop, link in the description bar, and click it open, you will go to all of the online exclusives and you will see, obviously we've got online exclusives including our kit. So I've had this one for a little while. It's called the Saying Thanks kit. This is one that there's no stamping in it. This is just a lick and stick, although not actually lick and stick. This is just a stick and put together one. So I bought it a while ago. I love the rainbow colours and I saw it in person a while back. In January I saw it in person. I thought, oh, that's lovely, I'm going to get that, and then I haven't had a chance to make it, so I thought I'd do it with you today. So, oh, I need that probably. So what have we got here? We've got dimensionals. Oh, dimensional strips. I don't know if you can see that. They're actually long strips. 2 sets of those and the square rainbow pretty things. And then we've got cards and envelopes. So how many have we got? 9 by the looks of things. So 9 envelopes. And then I'm guessing probably 9 cards. And are they different? Yeah, 1, 2, 3 that are like that, 3 that have the watercolour splat, and 3 with the spots, which I thought were fabulous. And I like our kits because you don't need to choose your language, all of them come with full languages. And then we've got 1, 2, 3 sheets of those. How many sheets of this have we got? 3 of this. And then I'm guessing probably 3 of that one. There we go. And then the instructions, which I've brought under here. And where did that appear from? Possibly me. So, oh, that's fun. So the thing with these kits is that you can have them on hand for yourself, but you could also, this is super simple, isn't it? So you can have them on hand for yourself, but they're also, particularly these ones that don't have stamping in, but actually any of them, they're good to have on hand to give away as well. So they're nice gifts. So I'm always coming across people who are not creative when they, ask what I do, and I say, well, I'm a this is what I do. I demonstrate stamping. I'm just going to use my regular style. I teach crafting via YouTube, and they go, oh, I'm not creative at all. Well, yeah. Maybe you're not, but you might well be. You never know. So I'm trying to stick to the instructions as much as possible. And then where do those dimensionals go? So we've got short ones that go that way and then very long ones that go this way. So I suspect I probably need the shorter ones. Oh, I've got 2, so 1 for later. I like these. Oh, I might suggest that we have these long ones as permanent part of our catalogue. What did I do with the card? There it is. So we've got thanks that's going about there, and then it says you're the best. So we've got you're the best, just wanted. Oh, that's presumably other things to say, but you're the best. And that other one behind there. And even for the most non-creative person out there, looking good. I like that. That's really sweet. That's a lot of fun. Right, what's the next one? So the next one is this one. Oh, okay, so it's 10th fold style. So just wanted to say, with the whole ribbony thingy going on, so it's going behind that one. Far too big loops, but it's okay. Oh, I've stuck everything to myself. So I think that's going kind of about there. And that's kind of going in the other direction. Oops. It should be straighter than I've done it. Let's just shorten that a bit. Should we try? Let's not do that. Don't like that. Just wanted to say thank you, which is off this one. And this is showing that that dimensional strip is just at the bottom, and I presume so it will fit over there. Oh, that's fun. How quick and easy. So 2 done in 5 minutes, and I've chatted. And the last one has got those die cut hearts, which I've put down somewhere. There, right below, right in front of me. So I'm guessing I've got to ping out all of the hearts. Let's do it this way. Oh! There's my dye brush doodah. I lost that a while ago. Found it now. Like 5 videos too late, but I have now found it. These are kiss cut, which means that they are pretty much completely die cut out, but just a couple of little segments are still attached. I'm just going for speedy sake. Okay. Right, and now this is where I would use those longer ones. Love these. These are fabulous. So, one at the top. Oh, I've managed to pick up 2 there. One across the middle-ish bit and there. And right, which card is this going over? Must be going over this swirly one. Oh, let's try and get it on there properly. And this one says, I appreciate you, which is here, and again with a bit of twine. And it's telling me the measurements, but I'm just ignoring it and not using the twine. And then this one is using these, so I want my other, oh, let's just use the end of these. Where is it scattering them? Just sort of between. Apparently it's sticking to me. Did the others have this on? I don't know. Oops. Let's have a look. Did the other ones include? Yes, that one included it as well. Well, I just see, look, I'm rubbish. I'm not even following instructions anymore. I really like that one. I really like them all, to be fair. So this one has got 5 on. I want my other one. Here it is. My other one with my dauber bit. That's easier. Well, it would be if it didn't stick to me. So that's got a little scattering of them as well. And has the first one? Oh, look, the first one did too. Oh, look at this. Yeah, I can't follow any instructions. 1, 2. Oh, those are so much fun. So that's the first one that I did. And you can see the little twinkle going on. Let's just put those down there. Then this one. And then the third one. I love them. I think they're so much fun. And what's that? It's taken me 10 minutes to make 3 and I've chatted and nattered. But really simple. I mean, seriously, if you needed an emergency birthday card, there you go. Or an emergency thank you card. Brilliant. Do they say birthday? No, they don't. They say, so thank you. And this one's saying, you're the best. Just wanted to say, and then I appreciate you. Just what more do you need to say? I love them. I think they're great. And as a kit, you know, making die cards, I think it's inexpensive. I don't remember exactly how much it is, but we've got lots of kits available. And of course, all of our online exclusives too. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.